Good morning. So today next we see for RET NFA problem. So previous class we discussed about for Thompson construction algorithm. Now we can discuss for subset construction algorithm. Now I can show the one video. Just you can watch the video. You can take down one notebook and pen. Just write and solve the problem according to the procedure. Okay. Then you can watch the video. Okay. If your voice not audible, when you can just raise your hand, then I will find out the solutions. Okay, ma? Okay. We got to convert the problem for infinite automata conversion. So infinite automata we are having for NFA and DFA. So NFA means non-deterministic finite automata, DFA deterministic finite automata. So NFA means you got to specify for the epsilon value, but DFA did not consider for the did you know about it? It's not mentioning the no epsilon values. So here how to convert the NFA to DFA? How to convert the NFA to DFA? So I am giving for the one expression, regular expression. Regular expression A bar B the whole star A B B. This is for the I am giving the regular expression. So based on the expression you got to convert from NFA to DFA. So NFA means add the epsilon value, DFA no need to add for the no epsilon value for the given NFA. So here in DFA, so NFA to DFA conversion, this is for the expression. First you got to draw for the NFA diagram. How to draw the diagram? This is for the diagram procedure. Start, this is for start 0. So 0 to 1 empty, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 4, 5, 6. So here A slash B. So A slash will be indicate for divided positions. So A bar B. So this diagram will be indicate for remaining will be indicate for the epsilon. This is for A bar B. So this diagram indicate for A bar B. So here what is the expression? A bar B the whole star. So here then you can draw the next part empty. So A bar B the whole star. So this diagram will be indicate for A bar B the whole star. So what about the next thing? A B B. So 8 states 8 A. Next states input symbol B is for 9. Next state B input symbol. This is for the 10th states. So the starting state is 0, the ending state is 10. The ending state will be circular, will be indicate for the double circle, will be indicate for the final states. So 0 is the starting states, 10 is the final states. So the final state will be indicate for the double circle. Okay. So what is here? What is the input symbol? The input symbol is A comma B. Okay. So what we'll do here, we are considering for the check here in construction of NFA to DFA we are having for 3 operation can be applied for the NFA states. The first operation E closure of S. Second operation E closure of T. Third operation move of T comma A. So what is E closure of S? E closure of S is set of NFA states reachable from state S on empty transition. What is E closure of T? Set of NFA states reachable from some S in T on empty transition, epsilon transition. What is move comma T of A? Set of NFA state to which there is a transition on input A from some state S in the set T. Okay, this is for the 3 operation. So based on the 3 operation, you got to solve the problem for NFA to DFA diagrams. Okay. So what is the first operation? E closure of S. So the E closure of S, set of NFA state reachable from state S on empty transition. Okay. Now go to the first operation for the given diagram. So what is E closure of S? So here you have to check E closure of S. So E closure of S means starting state. What is starting state? 0. E closure of 0. So what is E closure of 0? So E closure of 0 is nothing but empty transition. So the empty transition is, you got to check 0 to 1. You got to consider for the braces symbol, you can start here. 0, 0 to 1. Then 1 can be moved from 1 to 2, 1 to 4. Both are in empty value. So 1 to 2, 1 to 4. Then check 0 can be moved from the 0 can be moved to the 7. So this is for the starting states of E closure of S. So starting state is 0. The 0 can be, what is the E closure of S operation? The state can be moved from the empty transition to the other states. So 0 to 1, 1 can be moved from 1 to 2, 1 to 4. That's all. Then 0 can move to the another states for 7. This is also epsilon. So this is for E closure of G. This is for the first operation. Okay. What is the second operation? Check here. The second operation is E closure of T. So set of NFA state reachable from some S in T on empty transition. So that is for E closure of T. So here check E closure of 0 is 0, 1, 2, 4, 7. So the 0, 1, 2, 4, 7 is nothing but new transition for capital A. So what is capital A? So capital A is nothing but second operation. So this is for 0, 1, 2, 4, 7. It's clear. So what is the input symbol? A, comma B. So everything will be indicated for the braces. 0, 1, 2, 4, 7. Okay. Then what will we do? This is for the second operation. So what is the third operation? So the third operation is move of T, comma A. So a set of NFA state to which there is a transition on input A from some state S in the set capital T. Okay. Here what about the capital T? Here capital T is nothing but A. So what is the third operation? Move of T, comma A. So what is T here? The T is nothing but capital A. So move of A, comma A. What is A? A is the input symbol. A is the input. We have to construct for the subset construction algorithm. Subset construction algorithm. Okay. What is subset construction algorithm? Here I am already given for the algorithm. So this algorithm initialize the E closure of S not be the only state in D states. So you have to construct for the every states A, capital A mean based upon the input symbol you have to check A, comma A. Then after that you have to checking the empty symbol along with the input symbol of A. You have to add, then you can form the new states. The new state is marked as U. U is the unmarked states. So based on the algorithm you have to do for the given problems. Okay, how to do for the given algorithm? Just check that. Here, what is the input symbol? The input symbol is A, comma B. First, you have to start the input symbol for A. So the first step is for the subset construction algorithm, E closure, move of T. T is nothing but capital A, comma the input symbol. First you can start the input symbol for small a. After that you can do for the next input symbol B. Okay. Here check next thing, E closure, move of, what is A? A is 0, 1, 2, 4, 7. You can write for the braces. Okay. Then what is next thing? Small a. Okay. Here what is move of 0, 1, 2, 4, 7 a? Here check. You have to check only for the input symbol small a only. Okay. Now you can check 0 is the starting states. Okay. 0 to 1 empty, 0 to 7 empty. Okay. Leave it. So what is the next thing? 1. 1 can be moved from 1 to 2, 1 to 4. Okay. Next leave it. Now you can check for only the input symbol of small a only. So what is the next value? 2. 2, they can be, the states can be moved from 2 to 3. So what is the input symbol? 2. The state can be moved from 2 to 3 is small a. What is the states here? 3. So you can specify the value for E closure of 2. 2 can move from the next states 3, but the input symbol is 3. Now you are only checking for the small a only. So you got to write for 3. Next, what is the states? 4. 4 can move from the next states 5. 5 is the input symbol of B, but you are checking only for the small a. So you didn't add it for the value for states 5. Next thing, 7. Check 7. 7 can move from the next states 8. The 8, but the input symbol is A. So you are checking only for the state small a only. So you can add the value for A states 8. This is for the constructions. Once again I repeat. Now you are checking for the move of A comma A. What is the input of A? 0, 1, 2, 4, 7. Now you are checking for the states of 0, 1, 2, 4, 7 comma the input symbol of small a only. So here check, you can start from the 0. So the 0 can move from 0 to 1 is empty, 0 to 7 is empty. Now you are checking only for the states of small a only. So it is not considered. Next you can go for the 1. 1 can move from 1 to 2, 1 to 4, both are in empty. So no need to add. Next you have to check for the 2. 2 can move from the next state 3, but the input symbol is A. So now I added the value for states 3. Then check 4. 4 can move from the 5. 5 with the input symbol is B. Now you are checking only for A. So no need to add the states for 5. Next thing 7. 7 can move from the next states 8. The input symbol is A. So I can add the states for 8. So what is move is move. E closure move of A comma A is 3 comma 8. Okay. How to add for the new states? So the 3 comma 8 is you have to check. How to check? First check for the states of 3. Check 3. So in 3 we are checking for the 3 can be moved from 3 to 6. Okay. 3 can be moved from 3 to 6. Then 6 can be moved from 6 to 7. Again check 6 can be moved from 1. So 1. 1 can be moved from 1 to 2, 1 to 4. 1 to 2, 1 to 4. So the states 3. 3 can move from 3 to 6. 6 is a empty. You can write. Next 6 can move from 1 is for 1, another one is for 7. Both are in empty. So 7. Next 1. 1 can move from the 2 and 4. Both are in empty. So these are all are the empty states only. But the A is the input symbol of A. Okay. Next check 8. 8 can be moved from the next states 9. But the input symbol is B. So no need to add. So this is no values. So what about the E closure of 3 comma 8? 3 comma 8. You can add for 6, 7, 1, 2, 4 plus the both input symbol of A. 3 comma 8. So this is for E closure of 3 comma 8. Here check what is the output for 3 comma A. 3 and 8 added. Remaining thing all the values are epsilon only, empty only. So here the value for A. So here move of A comma A. So move of A comma A is 3 comma 8. 3 comma 8 is that is the value. So this is for the new states. So you can write the value for the state is capital B. So what is the answer here? So D transition of A comma A is equal to B. What is B? B will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So here check once. The A comma A is the state 3 and 8 is A. Remaining all are empty. So every input you have to check. B mean only B plus B, A plus empty value only here presented. So for example, B plus empty mean only B plus empty. No need to add for the A value, A input symbol. Here no need to add for the input symbol of B. This is for the procedure for the subset construction algorithm. So okay. Similar that you have to work for the what is the next input symbol? A comma A already solved. Next you can go for the input symbol of B. So here check E closure of move of A comma B. So here check enclosure of what is move A is 0, 1, 2, 4, 7. B you didn't check, now you got to check for the input symbol of B. So here check, so enclosure of check 0, 1, 2, 4, 7, 0 to 1 empty, no need to add. 1 check for 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 4, no need to add. 2 can move from the next input states 3, but the input symbol is A, so no need to add. Next you can go for the input symbol states 4. 4 can move from the next states 5. So here the input is B. Now you are checking only for the states input symbol of B. So you have to add for 5. Next is check 7 can move from the next states 8, but the input symbol is A. No need to add. So what is the enclosure of move of A comma B? Only for 5. Okay. Next check for the states. So in 5 you got to check 5 can be moved from 6. 6 can be moved from 1 for 7, 1 for 1. First you got to write for 6 to 7. Then 6 can move from 1. So 1 can move from 1 to 2, 1 to 4. So 2 to 4. So what is enclosure of 5 empty state? 6, 7, 1 to 4. Along with you can add the value for states B, 5. Here you can add. So what is enclosure of 5? Enclosure of 5 is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the states here? Here new states to be formed. So the new states of D transition of A comma B will be equal to B. Next one is C. So this is called state C. So what is state C? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Everything got right for the braces symbols. So similar that you got to work for the transition of move of B comma A, B comma B, then C comma A, C comma B. When will stop the iteration mean? For example, C comma A, C comma B, you didn't get the new states. Either D, E didn't form mean previously you got to get the same value for previous states value mean you can stop the iteration. Otherwise you can go up to the end. When we'll get the you can get the new iteration mean new states mean you got to go for the continue the iteration value. But you didn't get the any next iteration previous iteration value you can got mean you got to stop the problem, then you can go for the next step for the given problem. So this is for the procedure for the subset construction algorithms B and C. So here check enclosure of move of B comma A. So the B input symbol is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8 comma the input symbol of small a. So here check, you have to check based on the previous I told the expression previous explanation you got to solve the formula. So D transition of B comma A is B. So similar that you have to check and continue the problem. So what is the last iteration, how to stop the iteration for the given problem. For example here you have to check D transition of D comma B will be equal to E. So here what is E? The E state is 1, 2, 4, 5. E state is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. This is for the states E transition states values. Now you can go for the E transition of E comma A. So A comma A is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. The input symbol is small a. So you have to check 1 can be moved from 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 4 empty. Then check 2 is the next input symbol is 3. Then check 4 can move to next symbol is 5 no need to add. Next check 5 to 6 is empty. Then check 6 to 7 is empty. Then check 7 to next one 8 is small input symbol of A. So what is the E comma A is 3 comma 8. So 3 comma 8 mean automatically you can write the value for same value 3 comma 8 will be equal to B. So here write B. Next check E comma B, similar the same explanation procedure, you got to solve the problem. The output is C. So E comma A will be equal to B, E comma B will be equal to C. So B and C already got the previous iteration, you can solve the previous iteration based on the input symbol of A and B, you got the output is B and C. So you didn't get for the any new value for the given E states. So until you didn't get the any new state, you can stop the problem. So what is the value? Next, E comma A will be equal to B, E comma B will be equal to C. So here, so based on solve the all the input symbol of A and B, you can got the output test. You got the output test A comma A equal to B, A comma B C, B comma A B, B comma B D, C comma A B, C comma B C. So similar that D A B, E A B. So this is for the you can solve the problems. So this is for the next one. So what is the next step for the subset algorithm? The next step is transition table. Okay. The third one is transition table. Transition table. So how to write for the transition table? This is for states. Statement we are having for 5 states. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So what is the input symbol? So based on the given expression, we are having for 2 input symbol. One is small a, another one is small b. So what is A comma A? A comma A is B. A comma B, C. So similar that you have to write for the all the input symbol values, output values. B comma D, B comma C, B comma E, B comma C. This is for the next step. So the first step is you can draw the diagram. Second one, you can based on the subset construction algorithm, you can solve for the all the steps based on the algorithm. So based on the algorithm output, you can write for the transition table. This is for the third steps. So what is the fourth step for the given problem? Transition diagram. Transition diagram. Okay. So here, this is for the starting states. This is for the ending states. So the ending states will be indicated for here. I am indicating for start symbol. This is for the ending states. This is for the starting states. So then you can draw for the diagram. How to draw the diagram? States A. So A can be moved from the input symbol is small a. The state is B. Then check A to B, C. So C, the input symbol is B. Then check B, B comma A is B. Same self flow. You can indicate for the input symbol A. Next thing, B to B, small d. B to B, small d. Small b, capital D. Next is C to A, capital B. C to A, states A. Then C to B, C, self loop for the input symbol B. Next is check D. D comma A is B. So D comma A is B. Then check D comma B is E. E. So what is the E? E is the ending states. So the ending state can be indicated for the double circle. So the double circle will be indicated for the final states. So A is for starting states. So this is for the start symbol. So what is E? E can move from E comma A is B. So E comma A is A. E comma B is capital C. So this is for the based on the transition table. You can draw for the transition diagram. So this is for the starting states. This is for the ending states. The ending states will be indicated for the double circle. It's clear? This is for the fourth steps. Then you can move for the next steps. The next step is minimization of DFA. Next step is minimization of DFA. So in your examination, we are having for two things. One thing is conversion of NFA to DFA mean first based on the regular expression you can draw the diagram, NFA diagram. After that you got to solve for the subset construction algorithm. After solving the algorithm you can draw for the transition table and then transition diagram. You can stop the problem. Otherwise conversion of NFA to DFA with the minimization of DFA mean you can go for the fifth steps. Otherwise, no need to go for the fifth step. You can stop the iteration for the fourth transition diagram. So next steps, minimization of DFA. Okay. How to check for the minimization? Based on the transition table. Okay. Check here. You are having for 5 states. A, B, C, D, E. So E is the accepting states. A is the starting states. How to do for the minimization? Here check and consider for the pi. So the pi, it's a set of having two groups. So one is accepting states, another one is non-accepting states. AS mean accepting states, non-accepting states. What is accepting states here? Accepting state is E. Non-accepting state is A, B, C, D. So here accepting states, no need to minimize for the accepting states values. Okay, here you can check A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So here check A, the output is B, C. C output is B, C. Both are in same values. Both are in same values. Next check D. D, the output of D, A, B is D of A is B, D of B is C, E is the accepting states. So the accepting states can be appear for the states of D. So no need to remove the value for D. No need to remove the value for D states. So here you can segregate for two states. One thing is A, B, C, another one is D. Why we are no need to remove for the D value? The D states of output is E. So E is the accepting state. So the accepting states value can be comes under for the states D. So no need to remove the value for states D. So I can segregate for two groups. One is A, B, C. Another one is D. Okay. Now you can check A, B, C. A and C both are in same outputs. So you can segregate A. Here you can write same E states. A, C same value. B same value, D same value. But D in no need to remove for the D states. A, C, B, D. You can check A, C. A, C both are in common values. But A is the starting states. So no need to remove for the starting states. So I can remove the states for C I can remove. So what is the minimization? A, B, D, here states E. Okay. Okay. So based on the minimization of DFA, now I can do for the minimization of DFA transition table. Transition table. Check here. States, input symbol, small a, small b. So here 4 states will be there. A, B, D, E. A, B, D, E. A is the starting states, D is the ending states. Here check A, B value will be there. But C not there. Because C you are removing for the 3 states. So instead of C I can write for the value A. Next B is B, D. B and D both states are available for the minimization. Next check D, B, E. Next check E, the output is B, C. B is there but C is you are removing for the minimization. So what is the C? C and A value can be for same values. So instead of C I can write the value for A. This is for the transition table in transition table of minimization. Next what do you write? After minimization you can draw for the transition diagram. So how to draw the diagram? Based on the diagram. So here starting states A, So starting states, A can be moved to A comma A is B, A comma B is A. Next thing, B can move from B to B, small a, then B to B is D, then D to A is B. Next thing, D to B is E. E can be final state, B indicate for the double circle B, then E to A, B, E to B, A. So this is for the transition diagrams. So in this problem, so conversion of minimization of N4 to DFA, first based upon the regular expression you can draw the diagram, then input symbol you have to calculate the first operation. After calculating the first operation you can write the value for second operation. So based on the second operation you can go for third operation. So the third operation, after completing all the operation you have to go for the subset construction algorithm. So similar that you have to solve the problem. Then next thing you got to, after construction of algorithm you got to draw the transition table and transition diagram. Next thing you can solve for the minimization problem. After minimization you can write for the transition table and then transition diagram. The problem is solved. So this is for the conversion of NFA to DFA. So conversion of NFA to DFA means up to you can solve for the fourth step. Then after conversion of NFA to DFA, you got to minimization of DFA mean you got to go for the, you can go solve the next step is minimization states, then transition table, then transition diagram. This is for the one problem. This is for the part B questions. It's clear that? So similar that you got to solve for the another problems. Same procedure you got to solve for the another problem. So you got to check and clear that. You got to clear and consider for the construction algorithm and operation on states. 3 operation based on the operation subset construction algorithm. You got to solve for the simple problem. So no need to mug up for the given problem. You got to solve the problem in clear manners. This is the problem. So you have to complete the problem. This is the same procedure. So according to the procedure only, you have to solve the problem. Okay. So this is the procedure for how to solve the problem in. This is for your problem. This is the procedure for how to solve the problem in NFA to DFA and conversion of NFA to DFA. I think you can got the idea clearly. Got the idea about how to do the problem. So already this video posted in YouTube link only. Just you have to, just you're having any doubt, just watch the video. Then meanwhile you have to ask the questions if you're having any doubts. Okay, when we are coming to the college, that time you have to ask the question clearly. Okay, so this is the procedure for how to do the problems in. So in RET NFA problem, here in finite automata we are having for two things. One is Thompson construction algorithm. This is the first part. Second part is which one? Subset construction algorithm. So the subset construction algorithm will be solved based on the 3 operations. So the first operation is E closure of S, E closure of T, move of T comma A, and then subset construction algorithm. I think you can got the idea, clear ideas about. Okay, it's clear. So based on the algorithm with 3 operation only, now you can watch the video. Everything is clear only. So you got to just watch the video clearly. Once again, if you are not get any idea, just watch the video. Then you got to solve the problem with any other input symbol. With any other input symbol. I am giving one input symbol. You got to try that input symbol according to the similar problem. You got to just try. Okay, I give the input symbol. The input symbol is just I try the input symbol. The input symbol is simple thing. A bar B G whole star. A bar B. A bar B. Okay, so this is the input symbol. So similar input symbol you have to write A bar B. So this is your example problems, homework problem. Just you have to work out with your home. The regular expression is a bar b the whole star a bar b. So this is the regular expression. This is your homework problem. So you have to solve the problem. You are in. I think you are having tomorrow no classes. Okay, because Christmas. So you have to solve the problem when you are free. You have to solve the problem according to watch the video. Then you got to solve the problem clearly. The solve you got to, the regular expression, the problem you got to solve in two method. One method is Thompson construction algorithms. Second method is subset construction algorithms. Subset construction algorithm. So this regular expression you got to solve in two method. The first method as it is. A morning first class I clearly explained. I solve for two example in your class in whiteboard. A bar b the whole star, a bar b, a star slash b star the whole star. I solved the problem in two problem in your morning class. First hour class I did the problem in whiteboard. So similarly, you have to solve the problem. Again, you are solving for the subset construction algorithm. In the now you can watch the video. So similarly, you have to complete that problem. The regular expression I am giving the regular expression based on the regular expression. You got to solve the problem in two method. The first method is Thompson construction algorithm. Second method is subset construction algorithm. So these two method you got to solve the problem clearly. Then only in examination you can got the score. At the last moment we are trying it is not possible to solve the problem. It will be difficult to solve the problems. So once again, you got to watch the video clearly, you got to understand the problem, then only you got to solve it. No need to mug up anything. So this is the procedure for subset construction algorithm and Thompson construction algorithms. Okay, so based on that, you got to solve the problem clearly. Okay, so your problem is, your work is, homework is a bar b the whole star a bar b. Similarly, you can try another one problem also. Morning I solve a star slash b star the whole star. You can solve this problem also. A star slash b star the whole star. This problem also you can solve. Okay, so I'm giving for two problem. So the two problem we got to solve in two different method. The first method is Thompson construction algorithm. Second method is subset construction algorithms. Okay, it's clear. Okay, then next I think you're having for one more topic only, pattern matching algorithm. So we'll be solving next year. What is pattern matching? Same thing. So here we are giving for three input. A bar B, A star B, A star B plus, A star B plus. Okay, so here individually mentioning according to Thompson construction, A, B, B. This is for input symbol of A. This is for input symbol of A, B, B. This is for the input symbol of A star B plus. A star mean 0 or more. B plus mean 1 or more. So this is for A star. This is for B plus. I think you know that how to draw it. You also study for flat current subject only. Okay. So this is A star B plus. Then you got to merge for these constraints. A, B, B, A star B plus. So what is the thing? The zero can be, this is for 0, 1, 3, 7. The 0, A can be, will be represent for 0, 1, 3, 7. That is for A. So that is 0, 1, 3, 7. The starting state 0, the A will be moved from 1 to A. 3 can move from A. 7 also will be represent for A. That is A. It is combined NFA. This is individual NFA. This is combined NFA. Okay, next 247. What is a 247 input string? 247 multiple input. 247 also one type of A. Then 7 will be indicate for B, 7B. Then 8 is, the 8 will be indicate for A star B plus. So the input symbol A will be represent for 0, 1, 3, 7 states. Another input symbol A will be represent for 247. B will be for only for 7 starting state. Then next A star B plus is here. So A star B plus means multiple number of A. 0 or 1 or 0 or more instance. B plus mean 1 or more instance. So this is pattern matching algorithms. Okay, this is for how the symbol can move from input symbol. 0, 1, 3, 7. This is the state. Similar that you got to represent for the state can move from A, B, you got to represent. Okay, so this is for regular expression to Thomson construction algorithm, how to solve the problem in Thomson construction algorithm, how to solve the problem in subset construction algorithm. So I am giving the homework for two problem, A bar B the whole star, A slash B, A bar B. Second one is A star bar B star the whole star. So similarly, you have to complete the two problem. This is your work on, this is your understanding purpose only I am giving the problem. I am not forcing to anyone. Anyway, you are clearing the examination, you have to compulsory, you have to solve the problem. That is nice way. Okay, so when you are free, you have to watch the video, you have to complete the problem. Only 10 people only present here. I don't know what about remaining. Okay, you can leave the class now.